Hello friends, welcome to Fit Mantra. I am Rajat Goyal. Today I would like to share the great experience which I had in the Epic Race Try Challenge. Day 1 itself was a surprising one. At the last moment, I got a call from my bike vendor and I had to go to Deventer to pick up my bike and ride back on the bike to Tilburg. Because the bike was new and I did not have any accessories associated or relevant to the race bike, it was an extremely challenging one. And I came back with soaring in my thighs and butts. And honestly speaking, I'm still feeling that soaring in my butts. It's difficult to sit now also. The overall experience was really good when I ride from Deventer to Tilburg. Amazing guys, amazing one. Weather. Weather is unpredictable. We don't know. It's not in our hand. So we need to keep our options open. And according to the weather, we need to change a bit. I had the same experience on the day 3 where I was traveling to Best. It was raining, so I had to stop a bit. And once the rain stopped, I started my journey. But overall, it was really an amazing experience because I could ride on my new bike, especially with the accessories I had. So at least butts were okay. Guys, when I was doing the FCC Family Cycling Challenge, I had Cherry and Falak with me, so it was a great fun. Cherry was there to click the amazing pictures, and you could notice that you could really see the difference between the FCC pictures and the solo trip pictures. I couldn't click the quality pictures because Cherry was not with me, and I really missed Falak and her chit chat along the way because in the FCC she was doing a lot of chit chat during the entire journey. We couldn't realize that we have covered this much of kilometer, but this time it was alone, and 100 kilometer was like 1,000 kilometer for me. So keep tech options available. Solo trip comes with its own unique experiences. It gives you a chance to connect to your body and your surroundings. Thank you guys.